Hello and welcome to the Online Ambassador platform. My name is Ados Michael. How are you doing today? How is the family? Today on our episode, I want to teach you how you can actually reset your WordPress website. Now, as you can see my screen, already I have my website that is here. This is actually my website's welcome to Amadurs Entrepreneurship Community, home of tech and entrepreneur. So this is actually one of my website, but I'm going to be resetting this website already. That is looking so beautiful like this. See how beautiful this side is looking, but I'm going to reset it to, come back to its default WordPress theme, so that it can actually look fresh, as if you're just installing your WordPress from your cPanel for the very first time. Okay, so this beautiful site that is looking like this, I'm going to be taking it down right now. So how can I do that? You need to have to your WordPress dashboard. This is your back end after you've logged in, and from your dashboard, this is all the content that is here, but I'm going to be taking it down with a plugin, just one plugin. So I go to to plugin, add new plugin. Then I'm going to also, on the plugin section, I'm going to search for reset. The plugin I'm going to be using today is called Reset. So a lot of plugins actually out there that can actually also reset your website. So it's the first thing. So have a lot of them. You can use as many. You can scroll down, you can see a lot of them that can actually do what? Reset your site. So I'm going to be using any of them. I can use this, I can use that. You can check out their rating. You see you have like about 200,000 active users. We have 80,000 active users, 60,000. So anyone you want to use, you can actually go ahead and use it. So let me say I want to use this guy. So I click WP database reset, and reset all the database of the site. So once you install any plugin at any time, you need to do what? Activate it before it could be active. Okay. Excuse me. So now I've installed that plugin. So the plugin is here already, and I can actually check it out from here to see it, to click reset database, or I can also go to my tools. You can actually see it's also here, reset database reset. So anyone I want, I can use here, or I can use from my tools, anyone you want. So reset database. Now once you click on reset database, it will also prompt you to actually take action before the site will go. Now the first thing it says, database reset. It says this plugin does not create backups. Please create a backup manually or install the free WP reset plugin, which has snapshots that will enable you to undo a reset. If something is not clear, open a ticket on the official support forum. All tickets are answered within a few hours. Now this is actually the author of these plugins, all the stories. Select the database tables you would like to reset. So if you click this part, you can see all the things, everything about the whole platform. That is, you can select which of them you want to select. Then if you want, you can select all tabs. When you click all tabs, which means all these guys are what are going to go in, So scroll down. You say you've selected the option table, activate current theme and plugins. So if you click this button, this option will do what? Reactivate current theme and plugin, and I don't want that to happen. I want to make sure I have a fresh, website without any, previous stuff. Now I say enter a security code into the text box. So the security code is what? This one. You copy it like this, then you put it here like this, and click what? Reset tab, and say okay. And now you see what will happen. Now it's logging you out because he actually wants you to go back in to log in. So go back in and log in. So let's go back. Now you find out that it's actually your default dashboard at the back end is what you're going to see. Everything that you've installed, every configuration, everything that is there before, it's what is here now. Everything has gone. So you go to your posts and check all posts. You find out there's nothing there in your posts right now. Everything has gone. The only thing you have now is the normal default hello world. You go to media, you're not going to see anything again on the media. So everything has basically disappeared. Now all has gone. Even if you go to your team, you find out that right now we only have the default theme. What we've added before has gone. Also all this also has gone. So everything is here. See, they're all deactivated and all that. So if you go back to your main website that is looking so beautiful, looking so amazing right now, and refresh, you find out that everything will disappear. Now you see it's a normal default theme that is now here. So all you need is to start building again afresh. Okay, so you want to know how to clean up your WordPress dashboard so that you can start building up your website again, then a video I will place on the description below so you can actually see how you can actually do what, clean up your WordPress dashboard before you can actually start up any project. So thank you for watching. Still remain your one and only Amadurs Michael. Until I come your way again next time, remain blessed. Make sure you subscribe to my channel in case you have not, and by the side there's a bell. Please click on the bell so that you get notified each time I publish any new video. Stay blessed. Bye.